4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, just write them one by one. And again, I'll do the same. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let me go ahead and see your paper. Okay. Let's see. Quick. And I'm just analyzing your writing real quick. Jumps. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let me see if I can do some pointing. Okay, it's kind of hard for me to look, but I'm gonna look. Okay. So, I noticed there is an inconsistency with how you write some of your letters. Like, you don't write all your letters the same. There's some, you put more pressure on the pencil when you write certain letters than others. Like, for example, your capital T, you notice how that's darker and thicker. Your H is lighter. And then when you get to E, the E is a little darker than H, but it's not as bold as the capital T. Your Q is a little darker as well, but compared to, it's almost similar to the UICK, but the Q is darker still. So, and then your K gets a little dark too. Your Q is the darkest, the U and I, C are the lighter, and then the K is a bit dark. And then when we get to brown, you see the B is a little bolder. And then it kind of fades. Your fox, the whole word right here is a little darker than this end word here. And jumps, see, that whole thing is pretty dark. Over, your R gets darker when you write the T is darker. Lazy, the L and Y are the darkest. And when you write dog, I notice your D is dark, is the darkest one, even though the O's and G's are a little bolder. So I'm kind of noticing a pattern with your writing style, and it looks like when you write letters, you're putting too much pressure when you write the first towards the beginning of the word and the last word. So do you see that? You see how the T and E are darker? And then the Q and K are similar. With brown, you didn't do this with brown. With fox, that's a short word, so it makes sense that the whole thing's dark. Jumps, you also did that entire word dark. But from what, if I can guess right, it looks like you knew that you're running out of space. So you probably got a tiny bit flustered and you put a little bit more pressure on the pencil than normal. And again, over, you didn't do the O dark, but you did do the R very dark, and the T, yeah. So it looks like you put more pressure in the beginning, you get lax in the middle of the word, and then there's more pressure at the end. And let's see how you do your numbers. So 0. It looks like your numbers are mostly uniform, but that uniformity kind of fades when you get to the end. So these last two numbers. So just a bit interesting. Yeah. So I don't think you're writing. So I don't think you're writing, like, you don't write all your G's dark or all your Y's light or anything like that. I just think it's kind of the beginning, like I said, the beginning of the word versus the end. So it's like a gradient kind of, dark, light, dark, heavy writing, then light and heavy. So heavy, light, heavy. And your numbers, I kind of, these are about, it's all about the same, but then when we get to the end, it gets dark again. Yeah. So I think, let me go ahead and see your, I want to see your hands. Okay. Can you turn your palms over? Okay. Go like this. Okay. Yeah, so I see that your hands are red a little bit in between your fingers and at the tips. So it looks like you're putting a lot of pressure. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and give you first off, I'm going to disinfect your hand, okay? Because they do look a little raw and even chafy in some areas. Yeah. So I'm going to give you a hand massage, and I'm going to put some lotion on your hand, okay? Okay, that should be enough. Okay. We'll just do both hands for good measure. Okay, good. Now let's get the lotion. Well, actually, I think I'm supposed to shake it first. Okay. So, okay. Especially pay extra careful attention to those problem areas. Let me get the other hand too. I'm gonna get your individual fingers too. Okay. Okay. We'll go back to this hand since this is the hand you use dominantly. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay, now rub it together. I think we're all set. I'm just gonna get the excess off my hands. Yeah, I think this stuff is, I'm not sure what scent. It has a scent, but I don't know what it is. It just says moisturizing glycerin and vitamin E. So, yeah, I couldn't tell you what it is that, I don't know, I'm not sure what it was smelling, but it's fragrance free, so. Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna go ahead and crack some of your phalanges as well. Okay, I don't know. Let's see if these will crack. Okay. Okay, it's not only one of them cracked, but that's okay. Okay, just go ahead and kind of shake them loose for me. Shake them loose. Okay. Give me like some spirit fingers. Like. Yeah, okay, I know you kind of feel silly, but. Okay, and go ahead and go like this. So clasp your hands together and just roll it around slowly. Yeah. Back and up, back and forth like you're saying yes. Side to side. And then roll it all around. Bring it around town. Okay. And now, I want you to go like this. Go like that. We're just doing this to get your joints loose. Okay. Hold them for me again. Pull them back. Not too much pressure, just a little bit. Like this. Go like this. This. Go like that. Go like that. That. Oh, sorry. That. That. And that. Okay. So, do your hands feel a little bit more loose, more? Okay. So we're gonna do one more writing test. All right. I'm gonna give you the pencil again, and I just have a notebook, but oh, found it. Okay. Okay. So I want you to do the same thing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, but this time I want you to write it 3 times. Okay. Okay. So here's that, and here's that. And I'm going to, it's going to seem like I'm hovering, but I'm just kind of want to get a close view. Okay. So, forgive me for invading your personal space. Oops. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. Alright. And, whew. Gosh, I'm so clumsy. Okay. Let's see here. So the quick brown right here, the quick brown fox jumps. Go ahead, jumps. Nope. Nope. See, right here you're putting too much pressure. Okay, so rewrite that for me. No. Try it again. There. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Perfect. Try the lazy dog. Write the lazy dog one more time. Over again. Good. Okay, so write the sentence for me one more time. Okay. The. Okay, that looks good. Quick. Okay. Brown Dog. I'm sorry, the quick brown fox. So put fox, not dog. Jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, there we go. Good, good. Alright, so now I want you to write 0 right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. 9. Okay, it looks like you did a lot better than last time. I think the loosening really helped. Yeah. Okay.